Picking up a little bit of steam.
Nice ride.
Hey Rick, man, thanks. Yeah, this is the Mercedes G-Wagon. It's the AMG 63. We took the car from 577 horsepower to now over about 725, 730 horsepower. We're just flying. And a part of that also is the non-ethanol fuel gives you smooth performance, ability, and control. Hang on, brother. Here we go. All right. Oh!
Holy smokes. That's some big ass.
Yeah. Ask her to bring lettuce.
Oh.
We'll chop. Before we cut it, we'll chop it up in nice little slices, and then we're going to use my oils, my secret family oil mix, and put that on top of it. It's going to be like butter. It's going to be delicious.
Perfect.
You're gonna. Some guys say salted after. I do it before. Just a little. That's a nice piece of cheddar.
Cheetah. What kind of cheetah is it?
Olympic Vermont cheddar. Rick,
What?
I love you.
Perfect.
Now I'm just gonna fucking. That's it. Just good or what? You can kind of smell it. Rick, here you go right here. Open the palm of your hand. Open the palm of your hand. That's a piece there. Just good or what? Breadcrumb and cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Isn't that good?
Yeah, that is. Yeah. That's good.
Let the fucking plane go by. You'll hear it.
Oh, yeah.
Otherwise you'll hear the...
Yeah, we want to hear the sizzle.
Right. Take yours.
She's a mighty good road. Rock Island Mine, it's a road to ride. Rock Island Mine, it's a mighty good road. Well, if you ride, you got to ride.